This is Jimit Shah and welcome to the James Automation. So today we will see what is binary bits and its practical. Okay, uh, as we know that we have 20 inputs in this PLC and 12 outputs in this PLC. These are physical inputs and outputs, right? These are physical inputs and outputs. That means you can connect few things like your switch and push buttons and everything to your 20 inputs and 12 outputs. You can connect 12 number of things to your different types of outputs. But what if I want to turn on something which is binary, which is virtual? Okay, which is virtual, I can say. Okay, that is just for your internal programming. Okay, for that you need to use these binary bits. Okay, so let's understand what is binary bits. Here I'm opening a program. I have made a program over here. See, as of now we have used let me give you input output understanding. We have used input 4 and input 2 and 4. Input 4, which is my toggle switch, and input 2 is my second green push button. So this is my input number 4 and this is my input number 2. Okay, and output 1 is red LED light, output 2 is my green LED light. Okay, so 1 and 2, these are connected to my output terminals, and these inputs are connected to my input terminals of my PLC. Okay, so if I make a program now, okay, so I have made two programs. First rung, okay, that is our normal program. If this is on, my output is continuous on. Okay, if this is on, my output is on. Okay, and second, this program, can you see I have made some comments? So under this, my program is for the binary bits. Okay, so this is just to differentiate between these two. Okay, so what I did, I have used a one toggle switch. If I turn on this, my binary input B3 colon 0 slash 0. Please note these are the addressing of binary. If you check this over left side over here, okay, so this is my input, outputs and data files, everything is there. So in the binary here, if you open this binary, this is the data file of my binary bits. So if you take this is b3 colon 0 slash 0. Okay, if you take this is b3 colon 0 slash 1. Okay, this is b3 colon 0 slash 2. Okay, so you can use this binary as a virtual outputs or input. These are virtual inputs and outputs, right? So what I did, once I turn on this input, my binary output will be on. If this is on, my binary if this is on, my binary input will be on, then my output will be on, like that. Okay, so let's download this program, verify the program first, and go to communication, system communication, and I'll download this program to my physical PLC. Okay, so my program is downloaded now. Now see, let's understand this first. If I turn on this, immediately my output 1 will be on. So this is my green push button. Okay, so if I'm turning this, my output is on, right? My output is on. If I release this, it is off, because we have not made a program for push button, right? This is on, my output is on, right? So that is your directly input to output connection, right? That is your directly input to output connection. Now in the case of binary, what will happen? If I turn on this toggle switch, my output 2 of green LED light will be turned on. But what we have done, we have not directly connected this to this. If I wanted to, I can do the same program like this as well, right? I colon 0 slash 4, and I can put here O colon 0 slash 2 directly. So that is also valid, of course. But I want to understand, I want to explain you that what is binary. So what we have done, once I turn on this, my binary will be on, which is B30 slash 0. So if this is on, so my input virtual bit will be on, so this will be on, right? So let's turn on, I'm turning on this, so my output is also on. So at the end user, nothing will change. Okay, end user will not get to know that what is the program inside. Okay, if this is on, this is on, this is off, this is off, right? Like this. So if this is on, my binary is on, so my binary is on, so this is on, and my output is on. Okay, so this is how you can use the binary bits. Let me open this binary data file over here. Can you see? It is showing you 1 as of now. Here it is showing you 1. Okay, why? Because this is on by b3 colon 0 slash 0. Let me turn off this. So now this becomes 0, right? This becomes 0. This is off, so this is off. If I turn on this, this becomes 1, right? So this is how you can use your binary bits for your virtual, you can use binary bits for as a virtual inputs and outputs, just for the internal coordination of the programming. Please note, these inputs and outputs are very expensive. Okay, we have just 20 and 12, 20 inputs and 12 outputs. Okay, so if you cannot use this without physical connections. Okay, or else you'll have to connect external input and output cards and everything. Okay, so use these inputs and outputs only and only when you are going to connect physically something like motor or push buttons or something. Okay, for other programming, internal programming, you should use the binary. Okay, it is binary bits. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next class. Thank you.